everybody, my name is Kajal and welcome to my channel. So today we will be talking about the K Beauty Matte Drama Matte Lipstick. These are the lipsticks which are launched by Katrina herself. It's a home brand, and the shades which I have is Super Hit and Cameo. During the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, I ordered these two products because I was really intrigued on trying these formulas. So these are normal bullet lipsticks, and this is what the outer packaging looks like. So I really like the outer packaging. This front portion says K Beauty as usual, the brand name. The shade which you have, the similar shade carton they use over here, so that you could come to know that this is the kind of shade that I'm going to order. Behind you see manufacturing detail, expiry date, see the shade name written over here, and the behind part is a normal barcode, and this is the bullet. So this is not like a normal bullet, I would say. This has this really cute rose gold packaging and little K's written over here, and that's extremely cute. Again, over here you get the manufacturing date and the expiry date. The shade name is over here, and let's just open this. So this is what the bullet looks like. As you can see, I have used it a bit to try. Obviously I'll just swatch it. So this is what the shade looks like. Very creamy formula, I must say. And this is the second shade. Now this is called Super Hit. As you know that Katrina is from Bollywood, so I guess her shades are pretty much inspired by all the Bollywoodness or filminess. The packaging is same over here. The shade color is given over here, right over here. And behind, as usual, the manufacturing details and the barcode over here and Super Hit over here. Open the carton like this, and there it is. Oops, yeah. There it is. Yes, Super Hit Gold. Again, the bullet looks like this. Similar packaging. This is what the lipstick looks like. I'll swatch it over here. So this is what the swatch looks like. Extremely creamy formula, as I said earlier. The only thing that I don't like about these lipsticks are these weird kind of shape. I mean, it's good for this part of the lip, but when you try to go to the corners and create a shape, it is quite difficult. So let me just swatch it on my lips first. So I'm going with Super Hit. Oh my god. Oh god. This is super pigmented, okay? As I said, it can be a bit tricky to get it from the edges, like a proper shape. Just look at the pigment, guys. I'm not even kidding. This is such a pretty shade, and the pigment is so good and so creamy. It just went like a dream. You know the duration when we all were into too much into liquid matte lipstick? I guess that duration is gone. This particular era or this particular duration is more of cream matte, because लिक्विड मैट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो जाके आपके लिपस्टिक के कोनों में जाके या क्रैक्स में जाके बैठ जाते हैं, whereas this is just so moisturizing. I'm not even kidding. I mean, like, this is so good. Let's just see if it is transfer proof or not. Okay, it does get transfers, and I think that is quite logical with cream matte lipsticks. They do transfer. Liquid just dries out, but cream, it's more like, you know, it's there. Okay, so this is what the lipstick looks like. Now let's just try the other shade called Cameo. I mean, these colors are just so pigmented. I'm not even kidding, okay? And it just went so smoothly. I just love the formula and the fact that it is not drying out my lips. That makes it more perfect. I'll just remove the lipstick from my hand. I'm not even kidding. You can just see, even after wiping out, the pigment is still there. I would like to share an experience of mine which I had with Nykaa, because as you know that K Beauty is exclusively available only on Nykaa, and actually I placed my order during the Nykaa Pink sale, because of which I even got this eyeshadow stick from K Beauty. The experience that I had was basically when I ordered these lipsticks and they arrived, as usual, the first instinct that comes in your head is, okay, let's just open it up and see how it looks. And when I opened it, it was cracked. This one, this shade, the super shade was cracked, and the Cameo shade was on the bottle. Like, if you see this bottle cap, the shade was actually inside this. It was smudged basically. As usual, I filed a complaint and I wanted I didn't even wanted a refund. I just wanted them to exchange it, give me a new lipstick, because this was obviously damaged. But things turn out really difficult for me while placing a replacement, because I sent them an image. I spoke to the customer care as usual. He was very, I think it was he or she, I don't remember, but they were like, okay, you just have to send some images and we'll just rectify the situation. And I was like, okay, fine, if you can do that, it'll be really great for me. And I did my bit. I again packed them up. नायका में बॉक्स था उसका, उसमें वापस पैक कर दिया मैंने और साइड में रख दिया. I waited for around 2 weeks. Okay, one or 2 weeks. These people never reverted me back. I mean, I'm done sending my images. I am done sending whatever details they required, but they didn't follow back. So I was like, what is wrong with them? Is there any problem with the images? They want more images. What do they require? Okay. So I gave them a call again. नायका के कस्टमर के में मैंने कॉल किया, मैंने उनसे बात की, एंड जब मैंने उनसे बात की तो मैंने उनको बोला दैट सी दिस इज द सिचुएशन and I want a replacement. I'm not even asking for a refund. And they were like, no ma'am, you broke the seal, I guess. They were like, you have used it, you opened it, and some of the other explanation they were giving to me, and I was like, that's not logical, because any customer, if they are buying something, if it is coming online, they are going to open it, right? So how come that is like, it was like I opened it and I was just like, I was swatching it on my hand, and this part broke and it came out. So how is that my fault? I mean, it was already broken. It was moving. I was like, why is it moving? So I touched it, and then I was just trying to, like, swatch it over here, and it just came out. I'm sorry for the noise disturbance happening in the background, but it's just that the thing that I'm trying to say, it's not like I'm never going to shop from Nykaa again. I am, because they really have good products, and they are getting products from out of India, from brands which you usually don't get. So I am going to continue shopping with them. I'm just saying that it's high time you should update your customer service. I mean, just to get my lipstick replaced, I had to actually pull the button of, I am a YouTuber, review those lipstick. That's why I had bought it, and vagera vagera vagera. And that's when they took the matters in their hand and they replaced it. and that's one of the reason that I'm late to post this video, or else this would have been there on my channel maybe 2 weeks ago. I didn't, not with me, it was with Malvika Satlani. Those who don't know who she is, she's a YouTuber, influencer, model. And I saw it on her Instagram stories also that her parcels were misplaced. And I felt like it's high time that, Nykaa should buckle up their customer service and make it a bit more good experience for us, a helpful experience for us. So yeah, that was my experience with Nykaa. Any which ways, we know K Beauty is a cruelty free, paraben free and dermatologically tested plus a vegan brand. The MRP is also not mentioned over here. So the MRP which I know is of 999, and which I guess is a bit on a higher side for a lipstick. I agree with the packaging and all. It's extremely cute. It has this magnetic thing to it, you can see. Yeah, it has this magnetic thing to it which is extremely, I would say, travel friendly, because sometimes it happens that you just put a lipstick in your bag and कई बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि कुछ ढूंढने के चक्कर में जब आप बैग में हाथ घुमाते तो आप लिपस्टिक को कैप से अलग कर देते हैं, and then the lipstick gets smudged all over the bag. So this is kind of travel friendly also. Size is so small that you can take it anywhere, just put it in your jeans and roam. Still, I am a little taken aback with the cost of 999. It could have been a bit less, because there are some drawbacks to this lipstick, as I have said earlier also, that it is not transfer proof. Even when you eat anything, you have to be careful that it doesn't smudge around. If you drink anything or anything like that, it is going to fade out a bit, especially on this area. So just be careful with that. The formula is so good. I mean, it's just so creamy, and it just gives like, it looks like as if you are wearing a matte lipstick, but you know that you're not. It's a cream formula, which is a plus point to it. These come in variety of shades, but I didn't wanted to buy all of them. I'm a very small tiny YouTuber, so I could only afford 2 lipsticks, so I got those 2, the shades which I like, and I am in super love with this shade Super Hit, as if this is the best shade you can ever have for your lips. Like, you want to go out somewhere in the day, just wear this, nothing on your face, hardly a compact. It is just going to brighten up everything. If you even apply this for parties and all, the shade is going to look fab on you. And this was the experience with Nykaa, and I just hope Nykaa just buckles up, because brands like K Beauty and all, we only get it on Nykaa. Such sort of customer service is not something which I expect from Nykaa. Other than that, Katrina did a good job with the formulation and the packaging. थोड़ा सा कॉस्ट कम कर दे तो और अफोर्डेबल हो जाएगा उन लोगों के लिए who genuinely want to buy her products. And I really appreciate the fact that she has started her own brand on her own, which is so comfortable and which is so travel friendly. I mean, I have seen all her packagings and all the products. All of them look very travel friendly. So we actually know that whatever she's going to remove in the manner of travel friendly. Let's just discuss the pros and cons of this lipstick. The pros: cute packaging, good pigment, very creamy, doesn't dry out your lips. It is a cream formula, but it looks like matte. So these are the 5 points for pros. And let's discuss the cons now. I would appreciate if she mentioned her ingredients on her packaging. Missing MRP is not something that I would like on my product, because now I wanted to tell you how much did it cost, and I just didn't remember the number. I was trying to look at the packaging, but there was nothing written on it. So yeah, that's a con for me. The applicator, though, it is good on some areas, but some areas where I want detailing, it doesn't help me that much. So that's the thing. Price of the product, I guess it's quite overpriced, like 9.99 or something, a bit too much for a normal girl, for a normal female to afford. I'm extremely sorry for the noise. Yeah, there's a garage below my house and it's just making too much of noise. I'm so sorry. I have 5 pros and 4 cons. So you know exactly what to do if you want to buy this product now. I would personally rate this product around 3.5 out of 5 because of the costing and the missing ingredients and all in all and things. Though it is mentioned on the Nykaa site that this is cruelty free and all, I would really appreciate it on the package itself, because if I want to gift it to someone who don't know much about K-beauty, I mean they should know that what has been applied on their lips or on their face. And that's all for today. If you do like this video, please like, subscribe and click on the bell icon, and do share this video. It would mean a lot, and thank you for watching. Bye.